How to share screen on Google Meet. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To share your screen on your Google Meet, go ahead and launch your preferred browser, or if you have yourself your Google Meet, go ahead and launch it. So right over here, once you are in a meeting, at the bottom, you will see this present now icon, which will look like an arrow in a box. Click on the given option right over here. Now, the Google Meet will read every Chrome tab that is opened in your PC, or if you wish to share your window, click on the window option and you can share the window option over here. Or if you want to share the entire screen, just tap on entire screen. Now, if I want to share my screen of Canva, just select on the Canva option and here you will see a little preview of it. Then click on the option of share at the bottom. Now, as you can see, you have started sharing your screen. So this is how exactly you can share your screen on your Google Meet. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.